Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi Rana. It's time to gain some knowledge. And today's topic is weather and climate. In this video, I am going to tell you about what is weather, what is climate, factors controlling temperature of a place, what is altitude, distribution of land and sea, ocean currents and air pressure. So, let's start. Firstly, we will discuss what is weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a small area for a given period of time. It is different in different parts of the world and changes over minutes, hours, days and weeks. Most weather happens in the troposphere, that is the closest part of the earth. We can describe the weather. For example, it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy and clear or cloudy. So I can say the weather looks pleasant today. It seems the weather is rainy today. The weather is sunny today. So all these statements that is be denote regarding weather. Now let's see what is climate. Climate refers to the average weather condition of a large area and for a long period of time. Climate remains constant for a longer duration, maybe 3 months or 6 months or a year. It is the long-term average of the weather, typically averaged over a period of 30 years. Some of the meteorological variables that are commonly measured are temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind and precipitation. The climate of a location is affected by its latitude, altitude, as well as nearby water bodies and their currents. Then we will discuss about temperature. The degree of hotness or coolness of air is called temperature. The temperature of air is measured by thermometer. The standard unit of measuring temperature is degree Celsius. On the Celsius scale, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. The sun is the main source of heat and light. It radiates heat in all directions. Now look at the factors controlling temperature of a place. The amount of insolation is not same everywhere on the earth. So temperature varies at different places. There are 4 main factors responsible for temperature. First one is latitude of a place. Second one, altitude. Third one is distribution of land and sea, and then ocean currents. Let's discuss about latitude of a place. It is one of the main factors affecting temperature. When the latitude increases, the distance from the sun also increases. So, the temperature gradually decreases. The equator lies very near from the sun, so sun rays fall over there directly and it is very hot throughout the year. But poles lie far from the sun, so slanting rays fall over there and it is very cold. As we move away from equator to either of the poles, the temperature decreases gradually. Now we will discuss what is altitude. Altitude is the distance of a place above sea level. The distance affects the temperature of a place. Where the altitude is higher, temperature is lower. So climate is cooler at the place. And where the altitude is lower, temperature is higher. Hence climate is higher. The high altitude places are found in mountainous regions, while the low altitude places are found in lowlands. When you climb a mountain, the temperature gets colder at the top, while at the bottom of the mountain it is warmer. After that, let's discuss distribution of land and sea. Land and water bodies heat up and cool down differently. Land gets heated and cooled down more quickly than water. So temperature remains high on the land during the day and low during the night. On the other hand, water bodies takes longer time to heat or cool. So the near the sea have moderate climate. Now see what is ocean currents. There are two types of ocean currents, warm ocean currents and cold ocean currents. Warm ocean currents originate near the equator and move towards the poles or higher latitudes, while cold ocean currents originate near the poles or higher latitudes and move towards the tropics or lower latitude. They can flow for thousands of miles and they are found in all the major oceans of the world. Warm ocean currents raise the temperature of the coastal areas, whereas cold ocean currents make these areas colder. For example, due to the cold Labrador current, the Canadian coast remains frozen during the winter. On the other hand, the warm North Atlantic drift affects the coast of the Norway, keeping it pleasant during the winter. Although both the places are on the same latitude, but their temperature is differ. After ocean currents, let's discuss what is air pressure. Weight of air is known as air pressure. Air is composition of various gases. Therefore, it has a specific weight. Air pressure is measured with the help of a barometer. It is measured in millibars and expressed as MB. Normal pressure at the sea level is about 76 centimeters of the mercury column in barometer. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere on the Earth's surface is called the atmospheric pressure. The air around you has weight and it presses against everything it touches. That pressure is called air pressure. Air pressure drops as altitude increases, and when altitude decreases, air pressure rises. As the pressure decreases, the amount of oxygen available to breathe also decreases. At very high altitudes, air pressure and available oxygen gets so low that people can become sick and even die. Therefore, mountain climbers use bottles oxygen when they ascend very high peak. So that's it. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.